y'all? It's so good to see you back with me. I just love cooking with you, and I hope you're learning a bunch of stuff. Today we're going to be using the cast iron skillet to help make something really cool for you parties and everything. But before we get started with all that, I just want to remind you, if you would do me a favor, click that subscribe button and that bell notification, and that way every time I post a new video, you'll get a notice of it. And do this for me too. You tell all your friends they need to do the same thing, all right? So let's get started for today. Hey, what we're going to be doing now is buffalo chicken dip. There ain't no party until you've made this. It's just an old born party. But when you make one of these and set out there for your people, they'll go nuts over it. So let's get started. Here we go. All right, so what we're going to do. So let's take a look over here at this stuff, what we're going to have. So we got us our chicken. What we got here is chunk chicken breast here in the can, and we got 2 cans of that, all right? Then what we got is a quarter of a cup of hot sauce. Now you might like a half a cup, and some people use as much as 3/4 of a cup if you want it flaming hot, all right? We don't like it flaming hot around here. We just like it a little bit warm, so we only use a quarter of a cup. But you use as much of that for your own liking, okay? Just however you like it. And then we got 2 packs of cream cheese. We're gonna need that. We got a cup and a half of shredded cheese, and we're gonna use the rest of it on top. We'll see that in a minute, all right? And then what we got here is a cup of ranch dressing, and that's everything you need. Now look down below. I've got that recipe down there for you bunch of city slickers, all right? You can print that out, copy paste it if you want to, and then there's some instructions on all of this down there for you, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop open the top of this chicken, and you wanna drain it. So just crack it open. See, like that, crack it open. See, that's cracked open. Ooh, about to dump it out. And we're gonna pour that liquid out. You might wanna pull that tab back just to crack it open. Oh, there we go. Get that water out of there. Now I've already done that to the other one. Shake it, shake, 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 bump, 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 shake, 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 bump, shake your chicken. Look out now. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring this up here. Got a little butter in there. You know, even when you're doing something like this, you want a little bit of grease or something in there. We're gonna put this in. Put that chicken in. Oh, get off that lid there, chicken! Trying to run away. Oh yeah. You can just use this here can to chop that up a little bit. See how that, you don't need to mess up no spatula or nothing. That's the Uncle Coot way to do it. If you do it any other way, you just make it a mess. It ain't gonna work. Okay, we get rid of that. All right, and then we're gonna put this here hot stuff in there. Yeah, boy. Just kind of mix it around a little bit. Ooh, yeah. We're gonna cut this far up. We're gonna cut it up on high. We're gonna try to burn this chicken. No, I'm kidding. We're not gonna burn it. We're gonna make it think it's a burn. We're gonna cut that up. Yes, we are. Look at that chicken in there now. We're gonna get it to where it's kind of bubbly. Now this is a big old skillet. This is like 3 feet across. Well, it ain't really. I think it's 1 foot across, something like 12 inches. You can do this in a 10-inch. Uh-oh. Did you see that? Well, we just let that chicken got away. Yes, he did. All right, now it's kind of bubbly, sizzly like, and when it gets to like that and it's kind of warm all the way through, that's when we want to put this here cream cheese in there. So we're gonna get it in there. There's a big old brick of it right there. All right, we get a big bunch of it there. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this ranch dressing in there, and then we're gonna let this all get Worcestershire cracker tricky together like that. What does that mean? Well, you keep watching this video and you're gonna find out. We're gonna let it all get combobulated together. That's what it means. You just keep stirring it. I'm gonna chop this up a little bit, help it a little bit. That cream cheese, yeah. Now we're still on high heat, but you gotta be careful. You don't want to brown the chicken. If you start browning it, then you're gonna have to cut your heat back. But to keep from browning it, you just keep adding this cold stuff to it, and that brings the temperature down. You can leave it on high for a little bit. Some people do this in a big old pot. They like to mix it up in a great big old pot. But you know, anything that you can cook in a skillet's always better. Now what we're doing here is we're waiting on that cream cheese to get all melted up and all these chunks to be gone, and they just about gone. They really are. And I'm watching the temperature here. Keep this stirred around. Whoop, get that off of there. I don't want it to burn, but it's not burning yet. I usually don't turn it down until it starts burning. No, and good cooks, they turn it down just before it starts burning. But I might not be a good cook. I just wait till it starts burning, then I turn it down. I kind of like a gas stove too, because when you turn that fire down, it's off. It's not like them electric eye ones. They take a little while to cool down. All right, so I've gone around this. That looks pretty good to me right there. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add this 1.5 cups of sharp cheddar. We're using sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just going to sprinkle it around on the top, and then we're going to mix it in. Yep, okay. So we're going to spread this around, mix it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut that back. Once you put your cheese in, see it's acting like lava. That means it's too hot. It's not really too hot, but it's hot plenty. So we're gonna cut that back to medium. Woo, boys, this stuff smells good. All right, now we about got it all mixed up even like. All right, y'all, this is just about done. So what we're gonna do is turn this off. We just turn that off. There's enough heat in here to do just what we're going to do, and you might can even move it off the eye. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle the rest of this cheese on top. All right, and we want it to melt. So I have been keeping this lid hot. I've had this on low there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this lid on top of here like that. And we're just going to wait a few minutes until that cheese melts on the top. Let's just take a look at this cheese. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Boy, don't that look good? I'm telling you what. Sure does. Man. I tell you, here's a little special thing that you can do since it's kind of fall and Halloween-y and stuff. Now, you might be watching this. It might be July. I don't know. You can decorate it all kinds of ways. You don't even have to decorate it. But since this is going to be our Halloween spectacular, we're going to do something spectacular. So here it comes. Y'all ready? So what you do, you can decorate this. Watch this right here. We're going to put this right here. We're going to put this right here. We're going to put this right here. Yep. I'm telling you, you people are going to think you are the smartest thing ever was in this world. I tell you what, that looked like his tongue was picking his nose. I'm gonna move that down here like that. See there? Now look at that. Now I'm telling you what, that right there, that's a party thing. Now them are blue corn chips. You can buy them blue corn chips, and you can get plain corn chips, and then you can mix them in a bowl, set that out there on the table for all you people, and I believe they just are going to love it. All right, now I'm going to show you the difference, and we're going to show you party scene. And I'm going to show you a party scene when you don't have this, and I'm going to show you a party scene when you do have this. So hold on just a minute, we're going to show you that, all right? All right, folks, this is what a party looks like when you don't have this buffalo dip. All right, folks, this is what a party looks like when you have this buffalo dip. Yeah! All right, y'all, I tell you what, that's the way it is. You get you some of this buffalo chicken dip stuff and you make you up some buffalo chicken dip, and your parties will go from being boring to being off the chain, all right? Woohoo! Thank you for staying and watching Uncle Coot. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye-bye. Well, I got something new for you here. Let's see. Let's start all over. So what you're gonna do with this chicken is just pop it open.
Wait a second, you forgot the ranch.
Mm. Well, we just let that chicken got away. Save that chicken. Come here, chicken. Woo, woo, woo. We're gonna save you. Saved. Saved. What do you mean? My stove ain't dirty. My stove ain't dirty. What? Shoot. I might have to edit that out.
Swish your starts to crackers drinking it together like that.
Alright, so what we're waiting on is all these sour cream chunks to get all melted up.
Cream cheese chunks. So what we're waiting on? So what we're waiting on?
I don't know what we're waiting on. What are we waiting on?
You to get your words right. It's cream cheese, not sour cream.
3, 2.
Let's do your corn dance or that, whatever that.
No, I'm not doing them.
Yeah, do so. Do one of those Fortnite dance. I can't dip in me because I can't.
5, 4. Be careful with that. Bye-bye. Alright, that's enough. We'll use whatever.